Animal homes. Many animals create homes for themselves or their young. Some gather specific materials, while others utilize what is readily available. Animal homes come in various shapes and sizes, built in diverse locations. These homes are designed to meet their specific needs, whether to provide warmth, coolness, dryness, moisture, visibility, or camouflage. Most serve as comfortable and secure shelters. 1. Burrowing animals. These animals live underground, where they are protected from predators and harsh weather. Rabbits. Rabbits live in burrows or underground tunnels that they dig using their strong claws. These burrows often connect to form a network called a warren, providing multiple exits for escape from predators. Foxes. Foxes use dens, which may be dug into the ground or found in hollow logs and caves. Dens are typically used for raising cubs and resting during bad weather. Prairie dogs. Prairie dogs build complex burrow systems with multiple chambers for specific purposes, such as sleeping, raising young, and storing food. Their burrows also have ventilation systems to ensure airflow. Ants. Ant colonies are constructed in underground tunnels or ant hills. These colonies include specific areas for the queen, workers, larvae, and food storage. Badgers. Badgers live in sets, large interconnected burrows that can have multiple entrances and chambers. Sets are often used for generations by badger families. 2. Tree-dwelling animals. These animals use trees as a safe haven, often to avoid ground predators and harsh conditions. Birds. Birds build nests from materials like twigs, leaves, and feathers. Nest designs vary by species. For example, eagles create large, sturdy nests called eyries, while weaver birds build intricate hanging nests. Monkeys. Monkeys use the tree canopy as their home, traveling through branches to find food and escape predators. They rarely build permanent shelters. Squirrels. Squirrels construct drays, spherical nests made of twigs, leaves, and moss, usually located in the forks of tree branches. They may also take shelter in tree hollows. Koalas. Koalas sleep and rest on tree branches, especially in eucalyptus trees, which also serve as their primary food source. Orangutans. Orangutans create temporary nests in trees by bending and weaving branches, usually constructing a new nest each night. 3. Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals often depend on natural underwater structures or build shelters for protection. Beavers. Beavers build lodges in rivers or ponds using sticks, mud, and tree trunks. These lodges have underwater entrances for safety. Fish. Many fish live in coral reefs or hide in underwater crevices. Some, like cichlids, dig or build nests in sand or gravel to protect their eggs. Octopuses. Octopuses use rock crevices or empty shells as dens, often barricading the entrance with stones or shells for protection. Clownfish. Clownfish live among sea anemones, which protect them with their stinging tentacles. The clownfish, in return, clean the anemone and provide nutrients. Crabs. Crabs either carry portable shells or dig burrows in the sand to shelter themselves from predators. 4. Flying animals. Flying animals often build homes high up to avoid ground threats. Bees. Bees live in hives, which are wax structures created by worker bees. These hives house thousands of bees and include hexagonal cells for storing honey and raising larvae. Wasps. Wasps construct paper-like nests by chewing wood fibers and mixing them with saliva. These nests are often found under eaves or in trees. Bats. Bats roost in caves, hollow trees, or man-made structures like attics. Their communal roosts, called colonies, provide warmth and safety. Eagles. Eagles build eyries, large nests on tall trees or cliffs. These nests are made of sticks and lined with softer materials like moss or feathers. Swallows. Swallows create mud nests, often attaching them to cliffs or building walls. 5. Ground animals. Ground-dwelling animals rely on surface-level shelters for resting and protection. Lions. Lions rest in open areas or under trees in the savanna, relying on their camouflage and pride for safety. Tigers. Tigers use caves or dense vegetation as dens, primarily for resting and raising cubs. Wolves. Wolves live in dens, often dug into the ground or found in hollow logs or rock crevices. Cows. Domesticated cows live in barns or open fields. These structures protect them from extreme weather. Dogs. Domesticated dogs often live in kennels, while wild dogs may dig dens or use natural shelters. 6. Arctic and polar animals. These animals adapt their shelters to extreme cold. Polar bears. Polar bears dig snow dens for hibernation or to shelter cubs. Penguins. Penguins nest in colonies, with some species building simple stone nests. Emperor penguins protect their eggs by balancing them on their feet under a skin fold. Seals. Seals rest on ice floes or beaches, often using these areas for birthing and molting. Arctic foxes. Arctic foxes use dens with multiple entrances to escape predators and harsh weather. Walruses. Walruses rest on ice floes near water, allowing easy access to food. 7. Insects and small animals. These creatures are known for creating complex or portable homes. Spiders. Spiders spin webs not only to catch prey, but also as temporary shelters. Termites. Termites build massive mounds from soil, saliva, and dung, with elaborate ventilation systems. Snails. Snails carry shells as portable homes for protection from predators and harsh conditions. Hermit crabs. Hermit crabs live in abandoned shells, upgrading as they grow. Butterflies. Butterflies pupate in chrysalises, which are protective casings during their transformation. 8. Domesticated animals. These animals depend on human-made structures for shelter. Horses. Horses live in stables which protect them from weather and predators. Chickens. Chickens roost in coops, which provide safety and nesting areas. Pigs. Pigs reside in pigsties, typically open pens with some shelter. Sheep. Sheep are kept in barns or pens, offering protection from the elements. Cats. Domesticated cats live in houses or cat shelters, often sharing space with humans. Animals go through changes at different times in their lives. They may be protected inside an egg or nest when they are tiny, and may make homes for themselves when they have grown up. Animals also need protection when they are in that awkward phase between the two. Some insects make special structures to keep themselves safe when they are vulnerable.